Like a little kid on there. What? A little kid. Yeah, no.
A light.
Not pain. Yeah.
Oh, that one with the snap on that one. That's like the one you get the picture in front of the
I'm telling all the kids, you know, it's a candy train. So when we get hungry, we can eat the cars.
Good, good.
Mom. Candy train. Middle. Candy train.
Yeah, very fun.
So when they get hungry, they can just pick up one of the cars and eat.
Looks like South Dakota with all the buffalo we saw. Okay, long
Wow, N or Z scale big boy or challenger. I don't know which. It looks like a big boy. Big boy! Oh, it's a big boy. They have an N scale big boy. N scale big boy. And they even have an Amtrak. How about that? With the big boy, that you would think that the big boy is going faster than the Amtrak. You would think. You would just think.
Actually, that's not a big boy.
That's not?
No. It's smaller than a big boy.
Oh, Challenger.
And it's smaller than a Challenger, too.